The next video. In today's video I will show you how to display an Apple map inside a native desktop application for obviously Mac using SwiftUI. So currently here you can see that Apple map is being displayed, and I have the search bar as well. And if I try to search something like Cape Town, and if I enter here, you can see the Cape Town field is saved, as well as we are redirected to Cape Town as well on the map. Now suppose if I try to search something like I don't know, Centurion, I guess. Then here you can see I have moved to Centurion as well. And if I try to zoom out from my application, here you can see it has created label for both Centurion as well as Cape Town. So yeah, let's see how to get started with this. So firstly, just create a SwiftUI desktop application, SwiftUI macOS application. Next, inside, firstly I have created this location over here, which which is an identifiable as well as a hashable. So it takes an ID, then it has name, latitude and longitude as well. And here I have defined CL location coordinate as well, which we will generate once we have the latitude and longitude. And this is just to hash our function hasher.combine id. Next, inside our app class, here I have just added window style hidden title bar because I don't need the title bar. If you want it, you can keep it. Next, here for now, like I have set some default location. If you want, you can set it. And I have set some span as well of 0.5 both for delta, latitude and longitude. Then I have created a selected location set. Then here I have taken a location array as well, and this is for our search text, and it is also stored inside app storage. So app storage is just like user defaults used to store key value data. Then here you can see I have taken a navigation split view, so I will get this out of the box, like this left hand side as well as the right hand side. On the left hand side, here you can see I am taking a list, and I have taken this location. I am iterating over this locations array, which you can see over here. And the current selection is this selected location, so which you see over here. Current one is this, and here I am just displaying a text with location.menu or location.name, and the tag is location. And here I have added a context menu as well. So if you try to right click on Centurion, you can delete it as well, and it is deleted from your map as well. So if you see, I'm just calling this delete method, which I have defined. Then I have set some frame as well to minimum height of 200. And inside detail, I have just taken a map with a region, as well as with the annotation item would be our location array. And here I have taken a map annotation for which which you see over this map annotation over here. So we are looping over this location array, right? So we are defining map annotation for each and every item of our location array. So here you can modify the text however you want to. Next, we want this search text field, that's why I have kept it as searchable as well. And on submit, I am just calling this run search. And once this is changed, on change of selected location, what we are doing is that we are getting the visible map first, then we are iterating over the location, selected locations. So if you remember, selected locations is a set, and here we are constructing a map point as well as a map rect. And then the visible map, we make a union to the point rect side. And then we will create an MK coordinate region. Then we set the latitude as well as the longitude delta, and with animation we just navigate to the new region. And on delete, we are just calling this, on delete command we are just calling this delete function as well. So if you see for run search, what we are doing is that we are creating a request, then we are setting natural language query equal to search text, then we are doing an MK local search. But if you will have to import map data, sorry, I forgot to tell you guys that earlier. Then we are creating an MK local search, and from that search we are if we are getting any response, then we are creating an item out of it by getting the first map item from our response, and from that item we are getting the name as well as the location. and then creating a new location out of it, and then appending that new location to our locations array, and then selected locations equal to our new location array. And I'm emptying the search text as well. And for deleting, here you can see we are just getting the first index of location. If we are not able to get it, we are returning it, else we are just returning that particular index, removing that particular index from our locations array. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.